Saturday.
We've got a newcomer.
Hi, YouTube, what's up?
Hi, I'm shy.
Okay, so for today's Hot Tub Thursday, we're doing another Tipsy Language Challenge.
Yeah, dirty words. Marina, which is, I don't know.
How do we know? That's hecka hard.
I think it's marina. It means poop. Does it mean poop?
Marinat means not married. That means
What?
unhappy. It's a dirty word.
It means dirty.
Oh wow.
Oh my goodness. Not married.
Well, poop is dirty. Takla. Okay, takla sounds like bakla.
Oh my
Bakla
god.
means stupid, right? Oh no, bakla means gay, dude. Okay, so bakla. Takla means
Poop.
Oh, I was actually gonna like say that.
Right? I keep wanting to say Barack now.
Barack means Obama.
Yeah, Obama. There we go.
Barack,
It
wait.
can be very dirty in other people's heads.
It means rotten.
Yeah, it means rotten.
We're gonna high five anyways.
What is it?
What?
Mud.
Okay. Camera people.
The leg.
Gillette. Me?
Definition. Use the Gillette in the sentence. That person is Gillette.
Dirty.
No.
Dirty.
Stinky. Smell. Smell. That's not smell.
Shower.
Shower.
Greasy.
Gillette means ugly. Whoa.
You told it was ugly.
I know. And hey, viewers,
Sampa.
you guys say that.
Tampa.
Yeah.
Means
Means no word.
for the rest of your day, it's a problem free.
Sampa.
Relax.
Hakuna Matata.
Hakuna Matata.
Dirty.
Rotten. Disgusting.
That egg is sampa.
Rotten.
Rotten.
No.
Smelly. Hard.
Bad example. Hey, can you please throw out the sampa?
Trash.
Yeah.
Wow.
We got a winner. One more.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't know if that's
Baju Couture.
Baju couture.
couture.
Baju Couture.
Kotor.
Couture.
You really are. You can really are.
I got dirty laundry.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow. How'd you know?
This gave it away.
Laundry.
Sounds like clothes in Gauli.
Filipino?
Like bottle with like clothes.
What
Yeah.
the heck?
Ni.
That's funny. Chasnik. Chasnik.
Yeah. Ni.
Chasnik.
Chani. Chani.
No, it's not.
Chan. Yes.
Chas?
There.
Ka.
There. Name.
Where's the N? Where's the R?
Peanut. Peanut.
It's like dirty duck.
No, close.
Name.
Dirty
Dirty
people.
bait. Poop. Dirty bed.
No.
Dirty fish.
Dirty
No,
egg.
literally means dirty person. Put it all in one, it means dirty.
Oh wow. Okay. Name.
The heck? LeBron James. LeBron James.
She put DW something and like Pau Gasol.
Oh, yeah, change your tone.
It's like the friend.
Learn.
Lee.
Learn.
La. Bruce Lee.
No. No.
Noi. No.
No. No.
You guys sound like birds. I'm dying.
Luke.
Oh.
Yeah,
Luke.
Luke.
Uh-huh. Luke, yeah.
Luke. Indonesia means blue means you.
Ah.
Luke. So you are dirty.
Money.
No,
Shit.
Luke.
that egg is Luke.
Rotten.
Rotten.
There you go. Rotten. Audio visual.
Ave Maria.
Wait, say that again.
Ow.
Ow.
Yeah, Early bit me.
Ow.
No. Oh my god, no.
Smelly.
You can't be like, ooh, rotten. Be like, rotten.
No.
Garbage you can't.
No.
Body odor.
Doo-doo.
No. I went to go play in the
Mud.
Poop. Dirt.
Dirt.
Right.
Good job.
Let's go
Yeah.
play in the
Yes.
So as you can see, we're at the pool. They moved to the pool because it's hot over in the hot tub.
Oh, I learned how to swim.
Asaku keing bola ong lalam naning tete. Lalam naning tete. Something about a ball. My balls. Tete in Indo means boobies, dude. So my balls. Lalam naning tete. My balls. Lalam naning tete. So my balls are under my. So trippy.
You're close enough.
I'm Filipino. I'm asking you guys what that means. Brazil scored the goal under Germany. No, it's I give up.
In Kapampangan, I caught the ball under the bridge. But in Tagalog, sounds like the ball is inside the vagina under the penis.
I was close. I had breasts in there.
Okay, wait, is it recording? Okay, yay! So that's it for Hot Tub Dorsers! See you next time.
See you next time. And don't forget to support our You Caring page right here. Or if you want to buy some t-shirts to help us raise funds so we can go on a mission trip, click on this link below. And that's it for today. Bye! So if you want to see more of Ben in our videos, click thumbs up below.
Can't help it, you just gotta yelp it. That works. I can't help it, so I'm just gonna yelp it.